Hello YouTube and welcome to this edition of Race Car Fabrication and Restoration. I'm Ronnie Humphrey and I appreciate you joining us today. Appreciate all you guys who subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe and like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. Last couple of episodes I've been talking about us heading out to Texas Motor Speedway, and we're also going to catch some really big dirt track racing while we're out there. They got a 50,000 to win show Saturday night for the late models, and they're paying 10,000 to win Friday night. That's tomorrow night. This is Thursday when I'm filming this right now. But we're going to take our 88 Dell Jr. car back here. We're going to take it out and make a couple laps for the charity event there for the Speedway Children's Charity. We're also going to take our straight legal car with us as well and make a few laps in it. So I got to get everything loaded up. I dread doing it because I'm by myself, but like they say, how you eat an elephant is one bite at a time. So I just got to get stuff start moving around. So ride along with me. Let's see if we get everything loaded up. This thing was filthy. From all the sandblasting that we did on that Buick Regal, it was all over his truck. Now it's back clean again, I'm glad. We'll head on back to the shop now and get everything loaded up, and hopefully the cars will load up with no problem. So be right back with you. Well, we got everything done, and I am tired, and I am relaxing on the swing here, enjoying this beautiful Friday afternoon weather we have here. We're going to pull out about 9 o'clock in the morning, head over to Texas Motor Speedway for the Speedway Children's Charity event. Then we're going to also walk on over to the Texas Motor Speedway dirt track after that and watch some really good racing tomorrow night. Looking forward to that. I appreciate you guys riding along with me today. A little bit different video, but hey, like I told you, we're going to document everything. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so. I'd appreciate if you join our channel and hit that like button. I'd appreciate that as well. But appreciate you coming along with us today. We'll have our cameras with us tomorrow, and we'll make sure we capture all the action at TMS. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Race Car Fabrication and Restoration. God bless and take care.